Hello, how you doing? Look, nice, simple, easy, basic chicken curry today. So I'm using chicken thigh, no skin, bone in. I've got £1 there, which is about 500 grams. 2 cups of tomatoes, 1 cup of onion. I've got 2 teaspoons of chili and then 1 teaspoon turmeric, coriander and cumin. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then I've got fresh chili to taste. The amount's up to you. I'm starting mine off with coconut oil, but you can use a different oil, no problem. So in goes the cumin seeds. Now we're on an above medium heat. Next up, let's get that 1 cup of onion in the mix. Now they've cooked for 2 or 3 minutes, let's add some salt to taste. The ginger garlic paste. The fresh chili to taste. The amount's up to you, as I said. Let's cook that for about another 2 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Okay, so what we're going to do now is add our fresh tomato. Now try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato if you can, because we want to cook that right down, you know, want it to really cook. So in go the powders. Okay, 2 chili and then 1 each of turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. Yeah, really want these to kind of sweat down and kind of do their thing. So it's probably going to take maybe 5 or 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. So as you can see, they've mushed really beautifully actually. My ones have worked out really nicely. In we go with our chicken. Like I say, I'm using chicken thigh with the bone in but no skin. But if you wanted, use a different part of the chicken. Just get that into the masala that we have there. Let it go for maybe 5 or 6 minutes. A little bit of water, maybe just like 1 cup of water. I'm using cold water. Then we can lower the heat just above a simmer and let that go for 5 or 6 more minutes. That looks absolutely delicious. Check the salt level there. We're now going to go in with a tablespoon of coriander leaves, fresh coriander. Little pinch or 2 of garam masala powder just to finish that off. Absolutely delicious. Nice, simple, easy chicken curry. Nice with rice, nice with bread or some roti or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now please do, if you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. It actually really helps the channel out.